Hello, Transformation. Welcome back to my channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I recreated 2 makeup looks for the holidays. So this is very fun. This is a festival face painting look. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieve the looks step by step. So I am doing the leaves in the center of the face first. Now, I'm not perfect. I'm just doing some little zigzag, trying to amplify it. I'm not perfect, but it was so fun to do, and I had so much fun doing this on the live. So if you guys did miss this live, I'm showing you guys how I recreated step by step. Now, I did use a small angle brush, and I was just like going in with the flow. I said, I was feeling like I couldn't do this look, but I challenged myself and I did it. So I'm just outlining, and now I'm just doing the nose part, and I'm going to color it back in as well. So I'm just showing that I'm drawing the 2 little circles, and I'm going to draw the big circle right underneath it as well. And now I'm going to start doing the other part of my face, which is the whiskers. So I wanted to show you guys how I did that. Now that was the easiest one to do. And I'm going to go in with some white, and I'm just drawing like the stem on the leaves. And then I'm going to do the next step of my drawing. I'm going to start coloring in. I'm using the color green so you guys can see the contrast with the color, and also doing the same colors as the picture that you guys see. That's to my left, but it'll be to your right. And I'm going to color in the little circles in red. So, I know it's not as exact, but it was very fun. So this is just a challenge. And then I went in with some white, and I'm drawing like a little stash, a little mustache. This was so creative and fun. This was like very daring for me because I never done this before. So this is like my first time like recreating images and just doing the best I can, putting out that effort and just going in and just having fun. And now I'm just filling in the stash. So I'm just making sure that it is filled in just like the model, and I'm not messing up. And then I'm going to draw like the little snowflakes to recreate this look. And yes, it took me a minute to draw the flakes because I was so nervous. Like, I didn't know what I was doing, but I went in and I did it, and I just achieved the look. So I just keep looking at the picture, making sure that I'm doing everything right. And I think I really did a good job. Now I'm going to go on top of my brows. This was the fun part I wanted to do because it was very different and challenging. And I just wanted to step out of my comfort zone. I just didn't want to be just a pretty face. I just wanted to also was like, hey, this girl can have fun and just bring out awesome positive vibes doing these face makeup looks. And I did it. This is the look. And I'm just going to do some finishing touches to my drawings for you guys. So I did my nose, which is in the center. And now I'm just going to draw some more flakes on the side. And I am using a small paintbrush to do the flakes. As you guys can see on this side, much better than the opposite side up close. So I'm just showing what I'm doing. And I did it. this is the finished look. I hope you guys did enjoy the first part of my drawing of recreating a Christmas makeup face paint tutorial. I had so much fun doing this one. So we're going to go into our next one. This one was fun as well. Now this was very easy. All you had to do is draw a candy cane. So I'm just going to start off drawing like the hook, and then I'm going to come down. So at first I didn't know what I was doing because I was like, I hope I can draw this look. So I'm just drawing, I'm outlining this particular angle in the candy cane. So now I'm just bringing it towards the front a little bit, and I'm going to start drawing the lines in the inside. So I'm making sure that I curve the end. Then I'm just going to just start drawing the lines like horizontally, but with a slant. And I did it. I was so happy that I achieved this look in minutes. So now I'm going to start filling in the colors of it, the color scheme of the candy cane. I'm going to just move my hair to the side so you guys can see. So I kind of went red, skipped, red, and I skipped, and I did red again, and I skipped one more time. And then the ones that I did skip, I filled it in with the white color. So I did do that. So this was very fun. This was very unique. So now I'm going to go back in with my face paint, and I'm going to use the color white. So I started towards the end because I can see better of the vision that I want to recreate. So I'm just carefully painting on the inside of the lines. So as you guys can see. And then I'm going to start doing like the little leaves on the side of the candy cane. It's not perfect. I have tried to draw it perfectly, but I am not able to, but I am doing the best I can. So it's just for fun. I'm not perfect, but I just love to be creative, and I love to create. This is what I like to do. And I'm not perfect once again. So I'm doing the best I can to like just draw like the little leaves on the side of the candy cane. And I'm just coloring the inside of the leaves on both sides. And I think I'm going to draw like the little stem, the little white stem. Yes, so I did that on both sides. And now I'm going to draw the little circle of the little red that's right beside the leaves. And then I'm going to draw the flake once again. But I should have made another line. So I know next time when I do recreate this look or another Christmas look, I will make sure that I add another line into the flake. But I think it was close enough. I liked it. And I did my lips. I did white and red. I look amazing. I think I really achieved this look. So out of the two, the first or this one that you guys will love, I hope you guys did enjoy. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. And if you want to see more videos like this, please get this video up to 100 views. Bye.